Hey, I'm Margie, and I grabbed this 3-piece oil massage set that comes with this massaging ball. I wanted to tell you some of the things I really love about it and why I recommend it. Well, as you can see, it comes with 3 different scents. My favorite is the lavender by far, but it also comes with a ginger, and then this one on the end is actually made from an herb called arnica, which helps with inflammation. They all come with a little pump here, and then finally you get this massaging ball. This you can even throw in the freezer or the refrigerator. I have done that before. I really think that helps with the whole inflammation on top of using some of the oils. I'm going to show you what this looks like on the back of my hand. A little bit goes a super long way. Oil does dry down. It is not tacky. It doesn't feel thick. It doesn't feel like I need to wash it off or anything. So I love the way that it does dry. I absolutely love the massaging ball. It fits comfortably in my hand as well as my husband's hand. It's really easy to use it on somebody else, but it's so comfortable in my hand, I can just use it on myself. Overall, I recommend it. I love the different properties of the different herbs that are in these. I absolutely love the massaging ball. Also really make for a great gift. If you are in the market, I highly recommend.